Baby, know what I gotta do. Beating up this push for a few. I know you like the what I do to you. Hopefully what we do, then I'm out. Gotta go to the block. Turn this beat up, please. Turn this beat up, please. Baby, know what I do. Gotta go to the block for a few. Beat this pussy up for a few. Then I put you sleep for a few. Then I'm on the block. Coming back, you still not down. Then I go to the kitchen, cook right now. Take it to the block. Ain't that you still knocked out? That's what I do. I do a power move. How to circulate around the block of you. None of the time live what I do. So up now, call me. Too much you need some more D. You ain't gonna go. I go.
Smoke a lot of spliffs, roll gelato kiss, my mulatto bitch, hit me on the hip, said let's get together, so we did, let's go on a trip, let's go somewhere lit, listen, I'ma fuck this bitch, pull her tracks out, show her what it's about, get my stacks, then relax, and I'm out in the whole town, you know I gotta make my move and see what's going down, hit my nigga P up, see what the vibes is, you know, I got her live bitch, and she got a friend, we gon' fuck them both, and she probably got a twin, like a double mint. I'm so fresh, you know what it is, you know what it is. Listen.
Beat that pussy up, you know I like the way I do it. When I'm doing it, when I'm doing it, when we do it, yeah. Smut you up and your friend too, tag team too. Me and H high five on these bitches too. What we do? We ain't came to play too. Either that we go to the streets and get some money too. When you don't snow your bitch, you gonna do.
Smooth shit.